this is Candace, and I wanted to come to you and show you the new cascading spacers. They just want to cascade out and show you how wonderfully amazing this product is. These are spacers to help you line up your peekaboo pockets and have evenly perfect space all the way through your album and make it very cohesive, and takes out the guesswork as far as you having to space everything out and lift it up and pull it off and tear it off and do it again. So I chose this blog post as my base page for inspiration, and typically a lot of people use one piece of paper and use that popping out. However, I had this lined up here, so if I did that the way I wanted to do it, then this would look funny. That would be rain D and then as you go it would be just silly. So I chose to do the smallest spacer, and if you're attaching peekaboo pockets to the outer sides of your pages, you can turn around and attach that to the base of your page, and it makes a little bit heavier weight. But for the cascading pages here that I'm going to show you, these will be on top of your page protectors. So these space guides just give you a guidance of space that you'll need for each of your pages, and I'll show you here in a second of how to use this. But like I said, for this trip we had a lot of wording for a little bit of amount of space, and I didn't want to take up 6 pages of pages for this day trip. So you'll take your adhesive off your peekaboo pocket, and here on the T-square you have that lined up. You're going to add the peekaboo pocket right into the corner there and hold down on your spacer and just put the other side there. And that simple it is to add a peekaboo pocket with the spacers in your album. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Give a thumbs up, some heart if you love this.